Hey guys, here again with a video on my 2000 Toyota Tundra. This video, I replaced the power steering pump air control valve. That one right there, the brand new one right there. It took me about 20 minutes to get it out because this thing was seized up. As you can see, I had to break it off piece by piece to get it off completely. I broke this off, stripped the nut that was held onto it, and yeah, I eventually got it off and put the new one on. Wasn't too hard. Went in with ease. That's trash now. And I know some of you guys said that you want a full description of my truck, and I know I'm gonna get to that soon. I can actually do it right now. I mean, I already did that, so that was hard. All you gotta do is put a wrench to that nut right there, twist it off. Hopefully it isn't seized, and it'll give you better success than me. But so far, my truck is a 2UZ FE. It's got 264,000 miles on it. What's going on? It's got like 263,850. But it's got a cold air intake that I've had for a couple years. Jet mass airflow sensor. I know I told you guys I got the Fox shocks coilovers put in along with the 4.5-inch lift. With the I still have the the rough country, actually tough country shock absorbers in the back, because the Fox ones wouldn't fit because they're only designed for a 0 to 1-inch lift in the back. So these are designed for the lift that it has on. So I just keep these. They said they still hold up and it's still good and running. See, I had to replace the carrier bearing right in the middle right there. About 2 years ago, because the truck was shaking at high speeds. Let's see, I finally did the power steering rack. What they did, they took the factory bracket, welded on a piece of metal or steel to line it up perfectly, and then welded that together and tacked it back on. And then I still have the squeaking problem. I think it's the tie rods, so those are coming in the mail shortly after this power steering pump, so I'll get that done probably next week when it comes in. Let's see what else. Iron bull bumper, some tools I had to use for the fucking thing. I actually had to use these grips and the bladed part of it to get a hold, because I stripped the nut, so I had to use those sharp edges to get a good grip. And I'm telling you, man, that wasn't easy to do. Let's see. I went over the coolant leak issue right here. I just put some gasket over that piece, and I haven't had a leak since. I need to get the serpentine belt replaced because it's squeaking because of the I don't have any splash guards or inner fender splash guards to prevent the water from getting onto the belt, so that's why it's squeaking. So as soon as I get those, I might get like a piece of carpet or a piece of plastic to conform the shape and drill the holes and put it in to kind of rig it. See what else. Let's see, the Terra Grappler tires. I don't know. I mean, what do you guys want to know about it? I got clear headlights. I have an XPO lens over them to prevent dust or dirt buildup. I still haven't cleaned them. Like, I wash them with water, that's it. I've had those for about 7 months now, and look how clean they are. They're nice, I like them. I need to get actually some more LED bulbs, because these aren't positioned perfectly. I need to get ones that have like a 360 rotation bearing inside to where I can lock it perfectly in place. But after that, it'll be nice. So I do need to clean this that valve cover. It is really dirty compared to the right one. I mean, look how clean that one is. If I can get the other one looking just like that, that'll be nice. That'll be nice. I think I'll just take it off, get like some degreaser and wash it, or maybe get some like steel wool and lightly scrub it, because I know it's aluminum and I don't want to damage anything. But I'll get back to you guys later.